Hello Zulu, how's everything, bro? So I'll make the decision to do it this in English because I would like to improve this skill. So I'll try to explain this code or these tasks that you propose for us. Um, let's start. So in this task, the idea was to set up or to set up a class called time. In this class we can find different fields managed with private methods. Also I decide or I make the decision to implement some private constants to manage the different numbers like milliseconds per second, seconds per minute, minutes per hour, and then it is very useful bit inside the code, like in this one, to avoid use them right directly in the code for using a good practice. So we can find a constructor using overloading. For example, in this we can find the the constructor time with the default parameters if the user don't enter any value, so we can print them in the execution of the program. And then we can find different constructor like for hour, for minutes, an hour, minute, and seconds, and finally hour, minute, seconds, milliseconds to receive the different option and do the program flexible to receive different inputs. After that, we can find the the get and set access because we define our fields private, so it is very useful to set up and get the different values. Also we include in front of them a validation for hour, minute, seconds, and milliseconds. Those are different methods that I implement in this class. Mm, we also include the other methods to calculate the minutes, the seconds and milliseconds. Also to validate it is the results include or it is another date. We find a public method time up the, of the class time. The method is add that receive an object time, and we can add and get the different results to get them in the output. Of course, we implement a toString. It is very useful for the outputs because we need that is readable for the humans. And finally, we include the private methods to validate the hour, the minutes, the seconds, and milliseconds. Finally, I would like to run this program. As you can see, we get the different results. And in Mac, it works different, so I don't have the tool to generate the UML diagram, so I can find this solution. It's called Pool. It's like it's a definition by code, and we can preview the the class too. with the different fields, properties, the different methods and private methods. Thank you, Solu, for the knowledge that you has shared so far. Bye bye.